It is drone time again here on the channel. I am putting the drone up in the air. As always, I have the DJI Mavic, the OG one. I'm gonna see if I can get some cool shots. It's really nice conditions. We've had some incredible weather here in Sacramento. So got some nice clouds. Should make for some soft light, not a ton of shadows. All these kind of conditions are really good, especially for my older drone. Should allow me to get some really nice stuff. I'm gonna fly over downtown, try to get some different perspectives, some kind of unique perspectives of the city. But as always, we're just gonna kind of see the same stuff: Old Sac, the river, the Tower Bridge. But still, you know, always fun to get up and try to get some cool stuff. So yeah, here we go.
Da da da.